Hello YouTube, Vic's Pick and Lock. Happy New Year to everyone. I says before the New Year, Christmas time, I was going to try and make some pick handles or some picks in the New Year. I'll just recap on what I've done. I did that paper knife which I showed you before, and that one there. And I put a couple of staghorns on it. Well, they're deer horns actually, but the baby stags. And I'm working on this pick at the moment. It's ebony. I've got some temporary pins in it at the moment. Let's see if I can keep this still. So these are just pins from my lock. I just pushed in there. I'm waiting for some ceramic pins to come. And let's put the camera back here a minute. And this is something else that I was working on. I've got some bad light at the moment. A bit of pig, isn't there? I showed you these that I bought, and I said I'm going to make some picks, so this is what I've done. And that is an old sixpence on the end, which I fold around. Let's get the focus right. It's fairly comfortable but small, so that suits me. That's just a couple of things that I'm working on. I've got some more wood from Peter Boggy. He sent me some in the post, and I'm going to get started. So it's just a quick recap. Vic's Pick and Lock. Thanks for watching.